Today is our open house day at School 9 for the Southern Campus, where we've been talking about all of the good things that we offer here, both in primary and the secondary school. I was particularly talking about the IB program. We had approximately about 50 people join, with about 10 people looking at the secondary schools. In line with this week, which is our 29th anniversary here at BIS. After speaking with quite a few of the parents, they had lots of good feedback for us here at school. It was very nice to talk about the school and the program. We had our current head girl and our deputy head girl and some students from year 12 who also had conversations with parents. So it was really good to promote all of the good things we were doing here in school and to see so many parents interested in our organisation.
A lot of Russian people were interested in the difference between Russian public schools and our school.
I think it was a great experience that us students got to talk to parents, new parents, by representing our school, because I know teachers will just be describing the school and the program very well, but I think it's really important to hear from the students' perspective of the school environment, how studies are going in general, and yeah, it was a great experience.